Savino, what is specialty of this orientation?
Yes, and you can take a close look of this model. If you look at this model, we can't find find any flat surface, and the only way we can print this either flat or on supports in vertical direction. But orienting this in the 45 angle is because the 3D printer can easily print in an angle up to 45 degrees. So there won't be any overhangs. And it will increase the strength of the model as well, because if we print it straight vertically, then if we apply a tension to that model, like the layers are stacked up on top of that, and the bond between the layers are a little bit less strong. So printing in 45 degrees angle would also be benefited in the strength of the model. Yeah, that's the benefit in printing it in the 45 degrees angle.
Yeah, Savino, thank you.